I ran into this issue recently when a friend found the Lyft account suspended. Here is how you can get it back up and running. Step 1. Review the suspension email. Check your email for a message from Lyft explaining the reason for your account suspension. This will provide important details on what led to the suspension. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect any relevant information that might help your case, such as ride history, payment details, or communication with Lyft support. This will be useful when you contact them. Step 3. Contact Lyft support. Reach out to Lyft's support team through the app or website. Use the help section to find the option for account issues and explain your situation clearly. Step 4. Be patient and follow up. After submitting your request, wait for a response. If you don't hear back in a few days, send a polite follow-up message to check on the status of your appeal. Step 5. Review account policies. Familiarize yourself with Lyft's community guidelines and policies to ensure you understand what led to the suspension and how to avoid future issues. Sometimes the suspension could be due to a missed payment or a minor violation, so being aware of the rules can help prevent future problems. Good luck getting your account restored.